The RedMagic 10 series is just around the corner, and there's one feature that's already grabbing attention: the insane display on the RedMagic 10 Pro Plus. This isn't your standard smartphone screen. It's designed with high-end specs that make it clear RedMagic is setting a new standard. So, what makes this display so special? For starters, the RedMagic 10 Pro Plus is packing a 6.85-inch OLED display from BOE with an impressive 1.5K resolution. The 144Hz refresh rate means super smooth visuals, which is a big deal when you're trying to keep up with fast-moving gameplay. And here's where things get really interesting. This display has a 95.3% screen-to-body ratio. No interruptions, no display holes, and no notches, because RedMagic took the under-display camera route. To put it in perspective, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a screen-to-body ratio of 89%, and even last year's RedMagic 9S Pro came in at similar screen-to-body ratio. But with the RedMagic 10 Pro Plus hitting an incredible 95.3%, RedMagic isn't just keeping up, they're leading the charge in maximizing display real estate. The bezels are getting slimmer and the display is getting bigger, which makes for an immersive edge-to-edge experience that's beautiful to look at. But that's not all. We're talking about the thinnest bezels on any phone out there, just 1.25mm, uniform all around. It even beats the bezels on leading flagships like the Oppo Find X8 and Xiaomi 15. And in case you're wondering how good this display will look in bright conditions, it's rated to hit a staggering 2000 nits. Now, let's talk about the other gaming-focused perks RedMagic is bringing. Expect a high-touch sampling rate, which translates to ultra-responsive controls. Plus, you'll get shoulder triggers and an internal cooling fan, which means this phone can handle intense gaming sessions without overheating. Under the hood, it's running on the Snapdragon 8 Elite, so you know it's got the power to back up those visuals. And the wait isn't long. The RedMagic 10 series launches on November 13th, so keep an eye out. And that's the scoop on the RedMagic 10 Pro Plus, a phone that's truly pushing boundaries for mobile gaming. If you're excited to see this display in action, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.